So in this video I'm going to show you how to handle errors. So when things go wrong in Weave or synchronizations fail, what can you do to actually rectify the situation? So what I've done basically is I've taken an integration and I've modified, I've basically broken the mappings. I've manually gone in and put in a bogus mapping in there for one of the required fields. So because that's a required field, that should cause the mapping into Salesforce to fail because there won't be a valid mapping for that. Okay, so I've restarted that app, and so if I go across now to Wufoo and I put in another mapping now, so Joe, put that in. Okay, so when I hit this now, we go back to Weave itself, so that should happen pretty quickly in Weave. So I click on, go back and actually look at so we can actually see here now that there's an error in the pipeline. Okay, so if an integration has failed or sync has failed, and it'll tell us why. So basically, the required field last name is missing, and as you can see here, we've got the Joe and we've got the email address here, but the actual last name is invalid. Okay, so what we can actually do to fix this is, in this case, you might need to go back in you obviously need to go back in and fix the integration itself. But in the case of just this synchronization itself, because this has already happened, you want to be able to fix this and replay it. So let's put in manually fix that. And if we press the replay button, then it'll go and replay that, and now you can see that this is synchronized across, and now we have the data here, Joe Blogs, and it's should have gone into Salesforce. If we go back to contacts, we have Joe Blogs here now. So we've not lost any data. Obviously the synchronization itself would need to be fixed, the mapping fixed on it again in this case, but if there's connection issues or other kind of intermittent issues, you may get failures, and you may want to go in and actually fix those or just replay them. Sometimes you don't need to fix that, you just need to press the replay button.